Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use YouTube tags effectively, what to watch out for, the neutral ground, and the potential benefits. I'll also share a quick and free method I personally use to find the best tags, and finally, I'll list out some third-party services that can help you level up your tagging strategy. So let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the drawbacks. YouTube has changed a lot over the years, and if you're not careful, misusing tags can actually hurt your channel's performance. Here's how: irrelevant tags or keyword stuffing. Adding irrelevant or broad tags to your videos might seem like a good idea to get more views, but it can actually confuse the YouTube algorithm. This might result in your video being shown to the wrong audience, leading to low engagement, like fewer views, likes, or comments, and that could hurt your channel in the long run. Mismatching tags and content. If your tags don't line up with the actual content in your video, YouTube might miscategorize it, making it harder to reach the right audience. People might click on your video but quickly leave if they don't see what they expected. Again, this sends bad signals to YouTube, and your video might not get recommended as much. Tag overload. YouTube doesn't reward you for cramming in as many tags as possible. Using too many tags can dilute the focus of your video and make it harder for YouTube to figure out exactly where it should be shown. Stick to a handful of relevant tags instead of spamming keywords. Clickbait tags. Avoid using tags that are misleading or unrelated to your content. You might attract some clicks, but when viewers don't get what they expect, it can lead to dislikes, low engagement, and even negative feedback, which definitely hurts your channel. Now, if you use tags correctly, they won't necessarily cause any harm, but they also won't dramatically boost your video's performance either. YouTube's algorithm mostly focuses on your title, description, and the content itself, so when it comes to tags, moderate use. Stick to a few relevant tags, like 5 to 10. As long as your tags reflect what's in your video, you're in a good spot. General keywords. Adding general keywords related to your topic is fine, but don't expect a huge boost from them. Tags are more of a backup system now, helping YouTube categorize your video behind the scenes. So are there any positives to using tags? Yes. While they don't carry the weight they used to, they still offer some benefits. Misspellings and keyword variants. Tags are especially helpful for capturing misspelled searches or keyword variants. For example, if your main keyword is dog training, you could add a tag like dog training with the misspelling to catch those searches. Niche content. For more niche topics or less popular keywords, tags can still help YouTube understand what your video is about, especially when combined with a good title and description. While titles and descriptions are more important, tags do offer a little extra context to YouTube's algorithm, which can slightly improve your chances of being discovered if used thoughtfully. Now, I want to show you an on-screen example of how I personally find relevant tags for my videos, using a quick and free method. First, find competitor videos. Let's say I'm making a video on YouTube tagging like this one. I start by searching for videos in the same niche, videos that are already doing well on this topic. So I head over to YouTube and type in how to use YouTube tags, YouTube SEO tips, or YouTube video optimization. Next, select a highly ranked video. I click on one of the top-ranking videos that matches the topic of my video. Let's say I select one with a high number of views and likes, which indicates that it's performing well. Then, viewing the source code. Next, I open the video's source code. If you're using Google Chrome, just click on the 3 dots at the top right corner of the browser, go to More Tools, and then click Developer Tools. Once the Developer Tools panel opens up, press Ctrl+F or Command+F on Mac, and search for the term keywords. Now identify the tags. In the source code, you'll see a list of tags used by the video creator, marked under the Meta Keywords section. These are the tags that YouTube uses to categorize the video. I can either use these tags directly or adapt them to fit my own video's focus. Finally, adapt for my video. Now that I have a list of relevant tags, I can take the most useful ones and tweak them to fit my specific video. For example, if their tag is YouTube SEO Tips 2024, I might adapt it to YouTube Tags Optimization Tips 2024 to better match my content. And that's it. This method is quick, free, and gives you a good idea of what tags are working for highly ranked videos in your niche. If you want more advanced tagging options or to dig deeper into what works for other creators, here are some tools you can check out. TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a browser extension that lets you see the tags other creators are using, as well as offering tag suggestions, keyword rankings, and a bunch of other features to optimize your content. vidIQ. vidIQ is another popular tool that helps you analyze other creators' tags, and even provides insights on search volume, competition, and trending keywords. Morning Fame. Morning Fame is a great tool for smaller creators that offers detailed analytics and tag suggestions, helping you optimize your videos for discoverability. Keyword Tool for YouTube. If you're just looking for a keyword research tool, Keyword Tool for YouTube can help you find the best tags based on search trends and user queries. So there you have it. While tags aren't the biggest ranking factor on YouTube, they can still be useful when used correctly. Just make sure you avoid common mistakes like keyword stuffing or misleading tags. If you're looking for a free way to find tags, try out the technique I use. And if you want to go deeper, tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ can help you optimize your content even more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on growing your channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.